A year after AU, Cagayan de Oro College joined PEN. In CDO, competition was more difficult than in Cabanatuan. We had more established schools, and most were universities. We intended to become a clear number two to the big guy, that Jesuit school called Ateneo de Cagayan or Xavier University. Sino ba yun? And so, we set high academic standards and strictly enforced them because we believe that more than anything, quality would bring in the students. But it wasn't all academics for PEN. We rationalized offices, cleaned up the organizations, tore down stages, and closed marching bands and the dance troops. And yes, even some basketball teams. Anything that was not important to academics that would make us even more efficient. We were competing with the others on all fronts, working in all areas, all hours of the days. Sabi nga ni CBS, we shouldn't mind killing ourselves. So we brought these strategies we began in AU and COC to UPANG and UI. In every province we went, we marketed our schools aggressively, from school-to-school visits to posters and streamers, pops, PCs, HKs, radio, and television.
Dito, dito sa puso ko. Dito, dito sa puso ko. Ikaw ang nagbigay ng buhay sa mundo kong wala nang kulay. Ako sa'yo ay tila ganyan din, at isa ang ating puso damdamin. Tayong nagsimula nito, sana'y magsama pa ang pagsuyo. Huwagin niyo kay saya, tanggal aking kaba kapag kapiling ka. Dito sa puso ko, pag-ibig ko'y hindi na maglalaho. Huwag sanang mag-alala, sinta. Damdamin ko'y hindi na magbabago. Dito sa puso ko, pag-ibig ko'y hindi na maglalaho. Huwag sanang mag-alala, sinta. Pag-ibig ko'y hindi na magbabago. If I could reach the stars, pour one just for you, shine it on my heart, so you will see the truth. And this love I have inside is everything it seems. Now I realize it's only but a dream, that I can change the world. I will be the sunlight in your universe. You think our love was really something good, baby, if I could change the world. That I can change the world. I would be the sunlight in your universe. You would think my love is really something good, baby, if I could change the world, baby, if I could change the world, baby, if I could.
maghaya. Tumingin ka lang sa langit, baka sakaling may masumbungan, o di kaya ako'y tawagin. Malaman mong kahit kailan hawak kamay, di kita iiwan sa paglakbay. Dito sa mundong walang katiyakan, hawak kamay, di kita bibitawan sa paglalakbay. Sa mundo ng kawalan, huwag mong isiping nag-iisa ka. Laging isiping may makakasama. Narito ako, narito ako.
Hawak kamay, di kita iiwan sa paglakbay. Sa mundo ng walang katiyakan, hawak kamay.
Di kita bibitawan sa paglalakbay.
Sa mundo ng kawalan, sa mundo ng kawalan, hawak kamay, hawak kamay.